This video will refresh your memory on how to graph lines using the slope-intercept form and the standard form. The equation for the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. In this equation, the m stands for slope and the b stands for the y-intercept. Here are some examples. In the equation y equals 2x plus 8, the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 0, 8. The equation for a line that runs through the point 0, 3 with a slope of 6 is y equals 6x plus 3. As you can see, this is the y-intercept, so we put it as the b, and the slope is 6, so we put it in the place of m. The equation for a line with the y-intercept of 5 and the slope of a negative 1/2 is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. To graph this line, first we plot the point at 5 on the y-axis because it's the y-intercept, and then we put in the slope. Because it's negative, instead of going up and over, we would go down and over. So we would go down 1 and over 2, and then we'd keep doing that, and then we can make this beautiful line.